Hello, myself Sunil R Nair. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is currencies, and this basically we are discussing about the topic that is ideas. This comes under earthquakes basically. So in this we are currently discussing about the ideas basically. In ideas basically we are going to discuss just now basically one dangerous topic, that is the earthquakes. In earthquakes basically people says that this magnitude earthquake, that magnitude earthquake, this is the central Turkey, Indonesia, Philippines, France, Mexico is there, Turkey, Mexico, sometimes USA is there. This is Turkey, Philippines is there, Mexico, Spain is there. Philippines is there. Like this, just see basically how many earthquakes basically are coming, right? Nevada is there. The Gulf of California is there. Mexico again. Mexico, Chile, Philippines, 6.8. Just see basically the earthquakes basically. So one person asked the question basically. You told that basically 111 crore, 110 crore, 110 crore metrics basically in this world basically, which is controlling the earthquakes basically. So that the earthquake is not supposed to happen, that basically are done on the base of this matrix basically. So this matrix decides that the earthquake is not supposed to happen, and this matrix only decides basically the earthquake is going to happen. So one of the person told that basically what actually this matrix is here. Are there basically some numbers basically decided 5 to 10 like this basically energies are basically dumped, or actually what is that basically? Then one of the person told that, do you know basically that tomato energy and potato energy has created one planet basically 3 lakh planet? Yes, basically I know. So human basically energy, human body have so many power basically. They have basically they basically generates many powerful energies basically. So one of the energy is planet creation data basically. Then basically the another energy is matrix of the earthquake also basically you can say matrix of the buildings basically, so that the building is not supposed to move left side and right side. So it controls the matrix basically. Up to that level basically the human energy basically are there. But that is connecting to the stable energy, right? Like this unstable energies are also basically there. So one person told that basically how basically stable energy generates, unstable energy generate. Who decides basically that this story basically which is generated, that is stable energy, and this energy which is generated, that is unstable energy. That is decided, na basically. That is decided by the set of groups. If one person is not feeling well, that energy is connected by the power company. So that basically comes where basically stable or unstable. One person told that basically he is basically fine also basically, right? He is not having so much of problem basically. So this energy can be in stable also and unstable. Unstable means that much blood cells basically can generate into the unstable, and stable means that much blood cells basically which are not having the problem basically. So here basically the stable comes, unstable also, both comes basically. So he got disease. The reason was set of story basically generated with him basically. The story basically connected, set of story basically got connected. Due to that story basically he got disease, right? He got disease. For example, I will take one example. One person was chatting with the one girl in Facebook or basically in Twitter or basically in LinkedIn basically. They basically connected, and that girl basically told that basically I don't want to talk to you. We are breaking the relationship. So that basically what happened. That boy basically was going to propose her basically. So in this basically what happened. He basically got into some depression basically. So he basically connect to the depression disease. Like this basically, then he got some disease. Then he basically was not feeling where he got the fever. Like this basically things generated. But real the what is the root cause basically behind that? The root cause was he connected to the girl through the Facebook, through the any basically social media basically. Here basically I'm just giving the example basically. In really basically this has not happened. So like this he connected, like this he got the disease, and the reason was that story generated. So that story generated was the reason, and he got into depression. Doctors basically found out basically that this was the reason of the depression, and they basically given the depression medicine, and then basically they given the fever medicine also basically. Like this basically treatment basically started until basically blood cells basically doesn't become normal basically. So here basically two types of blood cells got created. One are basically not connected with this fever and depression blood cells. That is basically the stable, and unstable means which connected to the depression and connected to the fear. After that, sometime basically this blood's unstable data basically might connect to the stable also after getting the medicine basically. That is one thing basically. So here, what are the things basically? The one of the person told that basically these all are stories basically. Like this, he told that assume that there are 1 crore types of story, 1 crore combination types of stories in this world basically, and that is generating stable energy and unstable energy. So he told that yes, basically stable energy and unstable energy. Sometimes unstable energy connects to the stable, and stable sometimes connects to the unstable. So that basically is decided by the energy department basically, that which energy we can take as a stable and which energy basically we can take as a unstable basically. So that energy department decides basically that which data basically we can take as a stable data. So that the here basically I have taken as a word as a stable. Stable means earthquake is not going to happen, that type of energy. Unstable means earthquake is going to happen, that type of energy basically. So here I have taken that data basically. So in this basically stable energies are there and unstable energies are basically there, which is generated from the 1 crore stories which are basically inside the environment basically, right? That is decided by the, that is connected by the, that is collected by the uh, that is basically collected by the energy department. So in this basically the nuclear power company says that basically we are basically handling, we only know this 110 crore matrix basically. On the base of 110 crore matrix basically the entire world basically is stable, and basically that matrix only creates unstable data also. So whole world basically is connected with this matrix, that is 110 crore matrix. So in next video we are going to see a little bit more about this.